girls could probably guess what recipe I'm making today, right? That's right, it's stir-fried cabbage with dace and fermented black beans.
As promised, with just 1 can of dace and fermented black beans, you can make 3 different dishes. Pretty cost-effective, isn't it? The ingredients are simple: cabbage, carrots, and dace with fermented black beans. That's all you need. Peel the carrots and slice them into strips. Adding carrots makes the dish look more vibrant when stir-fried. Cut the cabbage in half, then tear it into small pieces by hand. It tastes better with a rustic, hand-torn texture. Hand-torn cabbage better preserves the fiber structure, preventing moisture loss caused by the pressure of a knife. The natural, uneven edges created by tearing absorb seasonings more effectively during cooking and yield a crispier texture. In terms of mouthfeel, the irregular edges from hand tearing provide a more layered and satisfying bite compared to the clean cuts made by a knife. The seasonings are simple. Just add salt to taste. Today, I'll add a teaspoon of spicy chili oil to this recipe. It brings a fragrant, spicy kick that makes the dish even more delicious. Add the carrot strips and stir-fry briefly, then turn off the heat and serve quick and easy. Just stir-fry the carrots to your preferred texture and crispness. If you like them softer, simply cook them a bit longer. That's it, the fragrant stir-fried cabbage is done. Simple and easy to make, right? The savory, rich dace with fermented black beans carries a luscious canned aroma, colliding intensely with the fiery, numbing spice of the chili oil to create a complex layer of flavors. The crisp cabbage fully absorbs these bold tastes while stir-frying, retaining its natural sweetness while being coated in a deep, aromatic sauce with a spicy, tingly kick. The overall dish is savory, spicy, and appetizing, with a perfect balance of oil and heat. Every bite is packed with rich, vibrant wok-cooked essence. This dish offers a relatively comprehensive nutritional profile. Cabbage is rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C, which aid in promoting intestinal motility and boosting immunity. Carrots provide ample beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body, supporting vision health. The canned dace with fermented black beans supplies high-quality protein and calcium to the dish, though it's important to note its higher sodium content, so moderation is advised. From a cooking perspective, stir-frying helps retain water-soluble vitamins in the vegetables, while the addition of spicy chili oil enhances flavor. It increases extra fat intake, so controlling the amount used is recommended. Overall, this dish provides a balanced combination of protein and vegetables. Pairing it with brown rice or whole grains can further increase dietary fiber intake, making the nutritional structure more well-rounded. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Cabbage is rich in dietary fiber and vitamin C, which aid digestion and boost immunity. It contains various antioxidants that help the body fight free radicals and slow down cellular aging. Additionally, cabbage is low in calories and high in water content, making it an ideal vegetable choice for a healthy diet. Remember to eat it often. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.